Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Savita and ये हमारा नया घर है. We recently moved here और ये बिल्कुल newly built है. So welcome to my new home. So today I'm going to show you my kitchen. My kitchen, it's a very beautiful kitchen. आई कैन टेल यू कि ये मेरे पुराने किचन से तो बहुत ही बेटर है. इफ़ यू हैव सीन माई लास्ट किचन वीडियो, दैट इज़ माई अपार्टमेंट वाला किचन का वीडियो, सो यू विल सी हाउ डिफ़िकल्ट इट वॉज फॉर मी टू इवन टू स्टोर माई यूटेंसिल्स and all my Indian groceries. But in this house you will not see anything like that. Though it's not a very huge kitchen, but it is something which I like, and probably everything what you will see here is all by my choice. It's my liking, and this is what I wanted, exactly what I wanted, and I got it. I could have made it better, but it was a budget thing. So as per my budget, this is what I can get, and I got it. So I'm very happy. So let's get started. Just I'm showing you a view of my kitchen, how it looks, and then I'll be starting with the different part of my kitchen and how I have decorated it. Rather than decorated, I'll say I just arranged it. I have not got many new things, so almost all the old stuff which I had in my old apartment, I just brought it and I've just arranged it. So you will not see anything very fancy kitchen stuff here. You will only see what I used to have, and I have just placed it here. So ये है मेरे किचन का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट. इट्स माई पैंट्री. इट्स अ वेरी गुड पैंट्री फॉर मी, बिकॉज प्रीवियसली मेरे पास एक पैंट्री भी नहीं थी. तो मोस्टली ऐसा होता था कि मेरे सारे जो ग्रॉसरी होती थी, आई यूज़ टू कीप इन अ बॉक्स, and it was really difficult because every time I have to find something, then I have to dig into it and I have to get that thing. But now it's not like that. Everything is there, very nicely put in a box, very nicely named it. So it's very easy and very convenient, and everything is there in. So कभी भी कुछ mess नहीं होता है और बहुत ही clutter free है, which is my main aim, कि आपका किचन जो है वो क्लटर फ्री हो, बड़ा इजी और कन्वीनियंट हो. तो ये जो पैंट्री है, ये मुझे वो चीज़ प्रोवाइड करती है. ये मेरे किचन को एकदम प्यारा और नीट रखती है, सो दैट मेरा जो काउंटर स्पेस है वो मोस्टली खाली रहे. बट काउंटर में अभी भी अगर आप देखोगे तो कुछ चीज़ें हैं, बट दोज आर मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग एंड आई यूज़ ऑल द टाइम. सो दिस इज़ माई किचन कुक टॉप, और ये गैस है. सो आई एम सुपर हैप्पी बिकॉज इट्स पहले मैं इलेक्ट्रिक यूज़ करती थी, इंडक्शन यूज़ करती थी, बट नो, नाउ आई गॉट अ 5 बर्नर गैस स्टोव. तो ये गैस स्टोव है, और ये जो है ये वेंट कम माइक्रोवेव है. तो ये बहुत ही बढ़िया काम करता है. नाउ you can see one more, which is the most important thing. This is done by my husband. He installed it and I got it from Amazon, and it cost me some around $80. But believe me, it's such a good help for me, because it's next to my kitchen stove. So it's very easy. Whenever I'm chopping, cutting, I just need to pull it and put all the garbage in it, and it's very easy and very convenient. And I'm really thankful to my husband that he did it for me. And this is my Changu Mangu. As you know, without my Instapot and rice cooker, my life is difficult. So they are there, they are still with me, and probably they are going to be there for a very longer period of time. So this is my sink area, and you can see I have a very nice window here, and it's really beautiful. And this is west side, so you can see sunset, and it's very so much light and very nice. And this is my dishwasher. It's one of the most important thing in my house. What I do is, this is all my dirty dishes. What I do every day when we start the day, whatever dishes which get dirty, I just wash and rinse in the water and just keep it here. And by evening, when all my, by dinners, plates and cutleries, everything is like dirty, I just wash and put in it. So that's that. So that's a beautiful view I see, and that there is my deck as well, so I can keep watch on my kids as well. Now this is below my sink, and you'll see lot of cleaning stuff, and I'm really sorry I could not arrange it. The moment we moved, whatever I got, the way I kept it, it's just like that. I did not even find time to arrange or beautify it. Now this is some other cabinet next to my cook and here I've put some my like air fryer and other things. So that is just simple storage. Now on this side, on the right hand side of my kitchen, I have kept all my cooking utensils and all those things. Like my pots, my pan, or all those things. So you'll see all that. It's mostly empty, and now this is my refrigerator, and believe me, I really liked it. It will be a small term. I should say I loved it. It's super. It has 3 different compartments. So the center one is the most important one, where I put all my vegetables, and it's like the daily thing because you have to keep on opening it all the time. So that's very convenient. I need not have to open the entire refrigerator for that. Now this is the below that is my freezer, where all the ice creams or frozen stuff I've kept it. So it's all there, and it is again very convenient. I mostly the less used one, so it goes down. And now this is all the milk and all the fresh vegetables or fruits, eggs, all those things are there. Again, I would like to say I have not arranged it the way you see on Instagram or on YouTube. I'm so sorry. I am not a person who can decorate or do so many things. This is how I would like to do, and this is what you have seen. So probably in future I'll be able to do it when I'll get more time. Now the most important and the most amazing feature is that we get nice filter water and nice chilled one, and we can get ice. We get it in 2 different ways. As you see, I have selected here the crushed one. So what ice I'm getting is it's all crushed. So it's superb when you have a lot of guests and friends, because all the housewarming party which I did, it was amazing because it worked really good. So these are the big chunk of ice. So I just need to select like that. So it was awesome. My friends liked it. Even it was very convenient for me. Now what you are going to see is all my crockeries. I don't have very fancy crockeries. Whatever I have, it's there on the on this cupboard, and you'll see on the top it's all empty because I cannot reach there. And the next thing is I don't have that many crockeries, so it's empty. Probably in future you'll see it full, but at the moment this is what I have, and this is what you are seeing. So that's how it is. But if you have seen my previous video, you'll see, oh my god, what a different it is. Like my entire kitchen looks beautiful than what I used to have. Now this is the place where I put all the crockeries which I use daily basis, like every day, for breakfast, lunch, dinner, for all those things. And all those things on the second rack, you'll see all Indian things, all my masalas and all. It's very handy, so I kept it on that side. It's easy for me. Now on the other side, you'll see again some masalas. If you know Indian people, or if you are an Indian, you will understand what I'm saying. It's all my Indian masalas. And this is all the storage cabinet, like where I've kept all the uh, food storage boxes. When something is extra, so I just put in it and keep it in my refrigerator. Now on this side, you will see, actually we try to create a bar. Come, you'll see all the medical things. So this is the area where you'll see all the alcohol, and on top of that, mask and sanitizer and all the first aid boxes and all. So this is a very different cabinet, and I've given it to my husband. He keeps it and he maintains it, so you must have seen how it looks. At least mine is better. So this is my kitchen. Hopefully you liked it. This is where I kept all my utensils. Those are my most favorite thing, because as you know, I cook a lot, and I need lot of knife. So that's the best thing. It makes my life easy. So this is my beautiful kitchen. Not very huge, but still very close to my heart, because I think each and everything what you see here is my choice. It's my liking, and I'm really liking it. I'm really enjoying it. Every moment in this house. It's been a month, and we did a lot of dinner parties. We all enjoyed it, had a lot of fun. Hopefully I'll make more videos to show more of my house, like how my living area looks, or how my study looks. So thank you for staying with me for so long. So finally I'm putting some pictures of different part of my kitchen. Hopefully you liked it. In future I'll put more different kind of videos. Hopefully you would like to watch those videos as well. So thank you, have a good day. Bye bye. Do like and subscribe my channel.